Have you ever wanted to make pasta sauce from scratch but didn't know where to start? Unk's got you covered. I'm showing you how to make a one-pot pasta sauce without any salt. Watch this. In a large oven-safe pan, add your tomatoes, bell peppers, onion, garlic, and then some fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. Cover all that with olive oil, and then for flavor, I'm using that BB salt-free. All the flavor you need without all the added sodium. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Roast it at 320 for 40 minutes, and then this is what you get. Next, we're gonna add all those roasted veggies to a blender. Make sure you take those tomatoes off the stems. Go ahead and squeeze your garlic cloves up in there, and then take all those fresh herbs off the stem too as well. Blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Just look at those colors. Meanwhile, I got my pasta boiling on the stove. Use any pasta you want, just make sure it's al dente. Store your homemade sauce in a mason jar, or you can use it on your pasta right then and there for dinner tonight. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio. That's good, shorty.